Good morning, world. It's a little bit later than normal. I've been really tired today. I don't know what's going on with that, but look at this. Yes, I'm still snowed in. It's like all white out there. So yeah, that sucks. I'm starting to run out of supplies, so I don't drive, so I'm completely at the mercy of other people. So yeah, it sucks. I need to go to the store probably in like a day or two. I was able to DoorDash a couple things last night, but there's some things I need that you can't DoorDash, So yeah, that's annoying. But other than that, I'm just cold, getting woke up, playing with Jinx. Hello, world! I should have started a show called Jinx and I. And you just talk about our adventures. Do. She's so gentle. She didn't even use claws. She's a good girl. Thank you, Jinx. Oh, she's getting a little rough now. You're getting a little hyper now, ain't you? Oh, girl. Girl. You need to calm down. Ow. Yes, let go. Fuck. TikTok's being weird right now for creators. I don't know what's going on with that, but it's being really weird and wonky. Dude, quit chewing on me. Oh, fuck. Alright, Jinx. We're having a problem here. You're really hurting me. I'm trying to let light in so you can see good. She's gonna hyper a little bitch. Jinx, quit it. I feel like I'm getting fat. Sitting at home eating all day. Not helping, is it? Alright, you guys, I'm gonna wrap this up because I don't feel like I'm saying anything useful. If you made it this far, I love you and I appreciate you. And thank you for listening and being a friend. And I hope you stay warm and dry and safe during this snowstorm if you're anywhere near it. As you can tell, it's pretty icky. It's all white out there. So yeah, be careful, stay warm, stay safe. I got a kerosene heater. If anything happens, I'm good. Luckily, we have not lost electric or anything, so we're doing good so far. But yeah, thank you guys, and I appreciate you. And I love you, and have a good day.